Welcome to an exciting tour of 12 contemporary living rooms nestled within Los Angeles homes. These meticulously designed spaces are a testament to modern American interior aesthetics, combining form, function, and eco-friendly elements. A dominant feature you'll notice is the pristine white walls that serve as a backdrop for the design, creating a clean and spacious ambiance. The use of white not only adds brightness to the rooms but also enhances the feeling of openness. In these living rooms, you'll find a thoughtful selection of furniture made from natural wood, which not only lends a touch of eco-friendliness but also brings warmth and sophistication to the interiors. The fusion of modern aesthetics with eco-conscious choices reflects the contemporary spirit of Los Angeles. We warmly welcome you to join us on our design adventure by clicking the like button and becoming a part of our channel's community. Your support is the driving force behind our passion for showcasing the art of contemporary living. Adding to the allure are the beautifully textured fabrics that adorn the furnishings. These fabrics not only introduce comfort and softness, but also introduce patterns and textures that create visual interest and depth within the room. To bring a touch of nature indoors, large potted plants are strategically placed, infusing each living room with a breath of fresh air. The presence of greenery enhances the connection between the interior and the outdoor garden spaces. The high windows, stretching from floor to ceiling, offer not only an abundance of natural light, but also provide captivating views of the surrounding gardens and landscapes, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors.